Today we are counting the iClicker. So this is the absorption spectrum of different kinds of glass. Would it be, so that means it absorbs all these wavelengths here. Would it be this one, the absorption spectrum of window glass? Would it be this one, or would it be that one? So this is the spectrum that you see here. So obviously the wavelengths are from a lower here, from UV, to higher wavelengths to here. So why don't you think about this and give me your answer, please? Don't forget to click in. We are counting today, from now on. And I will have on BSpace then a tab which says iClicker that will happen next week, and then you can see that you're in there, okay? Even if you don't have your iClicker yet registered, I will have you, okay? Because your iClicker has a number, but I don't know who you are. So in order to get credit, you need to go to iClicker.com and register your iClicker. So we have 427. Let's see what the answer is. So the answer is that the spectrum, the absorption spectrum of window glass, a majority says it's number 1. Some say it's this one, and some say want to sit in the dark, actually. No, never mind. That's this one, okay? Why don't you discuss this with each other and think maybe we can come to a more comprehensive, more unified answer? And look at this here. So obviously, it has to let this spectrum through here. Otherwise, you won't see color or you won't see anything. If it blocks everything, you're sitting in the dark. Actually, a window would appear dark, okay? Wouldn't be a window. Okay, why don't you discuss it with each other? Come on, let's go, discuss it with each other. So obviously the wavelength is increasing here, okay? Yes, sir.
How is that set up? Does that mean like everything to the left is past visible?
Everything here, everything past this is visible. Everything past this is visible. Everything past this is visible. So it's an absorption spectrum. It absorbs. Yes. Yes. So. That's UV and this is IR. Okay, make sure you click in. I still need a couple of hundred. Click in now. Wow, 3 already have left. So we get down to 430. No, you got 2 more in, okay? So there's 1 missing, just for your information. That is. So let's see, yeah, we're getting better, excellent, and some wasting their tuition money. Okay, but it's a nice warm place here, it's pretty good. You know? So it needs to let this spectrum in there. And this is the blue side, and far blue is UV, and the far red is the infrared. Okay? So you put this in here, UV. So if I have this here, this will let it through. But this one cuts out already this part. You only would see very funny colors, you know, the people would look funny. And this one, you would sit in the dark. Because in order to have total absorption of the light, you would have to have a black window. All right? So the answer was, very rightfully so,